is Team Bihar. Jijia is the famous folk dance of Bihar that they'll be performing on stage today, and it's mostly performed in the Mithila region. Mithila, the birthplace of Sita, who was considered to be the human form of goddess Lakshmi. There are some historical references to this dance being performed by the women of some tribes in Bihar during Vijaya Dasami. This translates to victorious 10th day, and the women thank the goddess for all she has done and pray for more on this day while performing the Jijia dance. It's performed by women only, and they carry lighted lanterns, which is made of mud, on their heads when they dance. With such mythological background, the folk dance of Jijia is performed with great vigor and gusto in Bihar. As we will be witnessing something like that today, here in front of us is Team Bihar. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for them.